Hi guys, it's me. Today we're talking about a precision tool that quietly does some of the most important work in industrial environments. This is a 2D/3D optical equipment electronic projector, a high-precision manual optical vision measurement image measuring instrument built for accurate inspection and dimensional analysis. This type of equipment is designed for professionals who need reliable measurements without compromise. Instead of using physical contact methods that can introduce error or damage delicate components, this system relies on optical projection and image measurement. That approach delivers consistent results while preserving the integrity of the parts being inspected. At the heart of this instrument is its optical projection system. Parts are placed on the measuring stage and magnified into a clear projected image. This allows operators to evaluate shapes, edges, angles, hole spacing, contours, and outlines with excellent accuracy. Even small or complex components become easy to analyze when projected at scale with sharp clarity. The ability to perform both 2D and 3D measurements significantly expands its usefulness. In 2D measurement, it handles flat dimensions such as length, width, diameter, and angular relationships. In 3D measurement, it adds depth and height analysis, making it possible to inspect components with more complex geometries. This flexibility allows one system to serve multiple inspection needs across different production stages. Optical quality plays a major role in measurement accuracy, and this system is built with that in mind. The projected image is bright, detailed, and well-defined, making it easier to identify reference points and edges. Reduced distortion ensures that measurements remain dependable even during extended use. Manual operation gives the user full control over the measuring process. The stage moves smoothly and precisely, allowing careful alignment of components before measurement. This level of control is especially valuable in environments where experienced operators prefer direct feedback rather than relying entirely on automation. Structural stability is another key strength. The solid base and rigid frame help minimize vibration and misalignment. That stability is essential for maintaining measurement consistency, particularly in busy workshops or factory settings where equipment is used continuously. This optical vision measuring instrument is well suited for quality control, machining inspection, tooling verification, mold analysis, and engineering applications. It helps identify deviations early, ensuring that parts meet design specifications before they advance further in the production process. Early detection reduces waste, prevents costly rework, and improves overall manufacturing efficiency. Another practical use is profile comparison. Projected images can be checked against reference drawings or master samples, making it easier to detect even minor variations. This is especially useful for reverse engineering, supplier verification, and process optimization. Despite its professional focus, usability remains approachable. Setup and operation are straightforward, allowing operators to focus on inspection rather than complicated controls. Once calibrated, measurements can be performed quickly and repeatedly with confidence. This is not a consumer gadget, and it's not designed for casual use. It's built for environments where precision matters and consistency is required every day. For businesses that depend on accurate measurement to maintain quality standards, this type of optical measuring projector becomes a critical part of the workflow. If you want to buy this 2D/3D optical equipment electronic projector high-precision manual optical vision measurement image measuring instrument, then please visit the link provided in the description.